I'm going to go over this solar trail cam. You know, it's got long life, eco-friendly power supply, which eco-friendly means the sunshine, and it's great for hunting, home security, wildlife. You know what? Using on the farm. Just a very affordable type solar camera that you could set up. So let me just go over everything you get with it here. We'll just take it all out. Actually, here's how I like to do it. Just dump it out. I kind of looked over a little bit. Here's the actual camera itself. You get some installation screws there. A USB-C cable for charging it. This right here will be able to mount it on the side of a tree. I'll show you kind of how to do that. You'll just kind of like mount that piece and then the camera screws into that. So it'd be mounted on a fence post, tree, or something like that. This is like a cord to go around it. And this is a little tiny flash drive for any type of memory card or anything like that. So let's go over the actual camera itself right here. So going over here, you get a solar panel that's going to charge the internal battery. But check this out. If I want to put some backup batteries in here, here's what I would do. There was a little cord right here, but we just open that up. Check that out. You can put your own backup batteries in here that will run this thing. Now, you don't need to use your backup batteries because it has an internal battery, and there's a memory card built in right here. You get a 64 gig memory card built in. So it has this curvature right here where it can go on a tree, a post, or something right there. The strap will go through right here, and you can strap this thing down. You want to format the SD card the first time in use. So let's put it, I moved it over. It's got off, test, and on. So as soon as I turned it on, check that out. It is on test mode. There it is. Let me go through some of the features. Hit the menu, the mode. So go OK. We got it on PR, which is basically motion detecting. Work time, photo or video. We got it on both. Photo resolution, it goes up to 60 megapixels. Photo video resolution, it goes up to 5K. Photo series, video length, I got it on 10 seconds. Audio recording, yes. PR interval, yes. PR sensitivity. Motion test, if you want to do a motion test, hit this. Now check this out. It's lit. Hear that? I don't know how well you can hear it in the camera, but watch. It's letting me know the motion does work on it. Well, there you go. Motion test works. Feel like distance, far, camera name, Wi-Fi LED. This does have a built-in Wi-Fi on it. Date and time, date format, time format. Date stamp, loop recording, beep sound, memory card format. So you want to format your memory card, just go right here. Yes, we do. Always, it says to format it. Format success. Go back. Language, password protection, factory reset. Okay, go back to the main menu. So we're on 60 megapixels. It gives me the date and the temperature. The temperature is 68 degrees in this room right here. You can barely see it. It's got a little bit of power right there and no AA batteries. So you will need to add some of those. If you want to do a recording, let's say I just want to test it, hit the shoot button. It's actually photo taking. Oh, so it's taking photos right now. We don't need that. Let's go to mode. Let's go to 4K. So it's on video mode. Hit the shoot button. Let's see if it works. There's my hand moving in front of it. Let's see if that works right there. Stop the shoot button. Now to check it out, go mode. Page down. Okay. There it is. There's the footage. I did some tests to see if it worked, walking by it, just kind of like, and I'll throw some footage up on the screen of showing you how it looks. I think this is a great option for anyone that just wants a great night vision trail cam that's also solar panel and kind of has its own little battery backup. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, solar trail cam. 4K. See y'all in the next video.